Yo, 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 this is Saul, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. I'm receiving a lot of messages. It's been a crazy day, guys. This is gonna be sync pair stories of the new character, Professor Oak. We did Steven earlier. If you wanna check out Steven, description or link will be in the description below. And with that said, this is a day with Professor Oak. And there's a Let's Go Professor Oak. Let's just tap it and see what it is.
Bonjour. Here we go. Can I count on you?
Oh yes. I think I chose the second option earlier. I'll repeat this first and second option for you guys. This is the first option. Red is smiling. Oh my gosh, so many messages.
Smell you later.
Smell you later.
Magnificent. Here we go.
That was the first option, guys. Let's repeat with the second option.
Bonjour. Here we go. Can I count on you?
Who are you again? His reaction, oh my god.
Yeah. Smell you later. Magnificent. Here we go.
That said, that was the first part of our sync pair story. Time to move on with a day with Professor Oak. His main sync pair story. 2 runs, first run, first option. Second run, I'll choose the second option. Enjoy watching, guys. What were you doing?
I'm impressed. Here we go.
You have a partner?
Here we go.
I see that this is the story
Let's
of
go.
Mew. Oh, it's just starting. What the heck?
Hey.
That head. So judgmental. What kind of Pokemon was it?
I'd be most appreciative. Leave it to me.
I'd like to see that Pokemon too. Guys, I can't help but look at how fat Professor Oak is.
Oh.
Oh, this is not a typical sync pair story, guys. Wow. This is not a typical St. Clair story. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Why, thank you. All right.
I want to see his poison powder. I want to see stun spore. First option, guys.
I got it covered.
Aya. Aya.
No can do.
Antidote works on humans as well, huh? Okay, can we talk to him and let him show us the other
Help
move?
me out.
Sure. I'd like to see stun spore.
I got it covered.
Guys, what's the item used for releasing paralysis again? Paralyze heal? That said, I think that's a Voltorb though. Looks like a Voltorb. It's mine now. Seems suspicious. I said first option, so first option.
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yo.
Knew it. Good thing it didn't explode. Let's touch it again.
Hey. That's so cool.
I believe in you.
Hey, thanks.
And I think we're done with this area. So let's move on to the next part. Gosh, this is not a St. Clair story.
Here we go.
Starters.
Inside those 3 Pokeballs, a Pokemon. Oh,
How come there's 2 Charmander? Oh, so cute. It's a Mew. It's a Mew. Let's talk to them. Okay, time to search for more here. Nothing. No exclamation point. How about this one?
huh?
Is that Blaine? Yes, it's Blaine.
Here we go.
Currently in the mall, it's getting noisier in here. Gengar.
Oh, come on.
What's this?
Sounds like blue because first option.
Oh,
Now that's unpleasant. Child. Why you?
all right.
must we battle?
Magnificent.
Right then. Here we go.
Let's begin.
Right.
Poison versus Poison Ghost.
Here we go.
Oh my. For real?
Was there? I didn't see anything.
Here we go.
They're gone. I cannot press anymore. Let's move on. There it is. It's a Mew.
Hey!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Counting on you. You're kidding me.
Blue's shocked face looks so angry.
Child.
What if it is in the partner Pokemon?
What?
Oh my.
Mew looks ready for battle.
Yes! Here we go. All right.
Right then.
Come on. What the what?
What the what? So playful.
Leave it to me. Whoa. Nice.
Kind of don't want to repeat the whole thing. It's so long, guys. I don't think I'll repeat this. Mew looks like wants to play more, but first option, guys. First option.
You got this.
You're a sync pair now.
For Pete's sake. All right. Can I count on you?
Sure, I'll be glad to.
Thank you. Let's begin.
And that is done. Oh my gosh, that was a super long sync pair story. Super long, guys. If you enjoyed watching this, I won't repeat this anymore. If you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Story event coming soon. Rawr.